Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Harshpan Agatal from 9th English Medium, Batch 2. Today, me and my friends Isha, Harshada, Tanish, and Hers are explaining on history topic. India, a nuclear nation. My first point is Pokhran 1. Pokhran 1 was India's first nuclear test on 18 May 1974. It was tested in Pokhran in Rajasthan. Pokhran was chosen because it was have no groundwater reservation and far from human settlement. Now my friend Isha will continue next point.
Hi, my name is Isha Sanjay Damodar. I am tell us about second nuclear test. On 11th May 1998, India carried out its second nuclear test to prove its nuclear preparedness. 3 tests were done on this day. One of them was a hydrogen bomb. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee was assured that there was no first use of nuclear weapons by India. The USA imposed economic sanitation by India. In Pokhran 2, there was a army tent, and this is a bunker. This was bunker, and this is a hydrogen bomb. Now, my friend Harshada was continuing next topic.
Hello everyone, myself Harshada Pawar. I will be tell us few lines about DRDO. In 1958, Defense Research and Development, DRDO was established under the defense of government of the India. The objective behind the DRDO is by to make the Indian self-sufficient with the respect of the equipments and weapons required for the DRDO. After 1983, this organization developed several missiles under the leadership of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Kalam has a great contribution to make the missiles. Dr. Kalam is also known as the Missile Man of the India. DRDO also helped to make the nuclear missiles. My friend tell us about few lines about the missiles.
Hello everyone, myself Tanish Sanjay Gune. My point is missiles. First, Agni. With the China and Pakistan getting idea of Indian missile strength to make Indian border secure, Agni first had tested. Agni 1 had a range of 700 kilometers. Later, Agni 2 and 3 were also produced. Akash. In 1990s, missile Akash was developed in fire from into the air. This missile has capacity to carry 720 kilograms of explosion with supersonic speed and range of 30 kilometers. Prithvi. In 1988, India successfully tested the Prithvi missile. Prithvi first was a surface-to-surface ballistic missile was given to Army. Prithvi 2 was given to the Air Force, while Prithvi 3 was given to the Navy. Prithvi missile carried 100 to 500 kgs nuclear weapons, and Prithvi missile could travel 150 to 300 kilometers due to the ballistic missiles. Now my friend Harsh will continue the next point.
Myself Harsh Prakash Padwal, and I am explaining about the point nuclear power point. Nuclear power point is the mainly electricity is produced in this. Nuclear power point is used in a similar way as a thermal power point, but the difference between them is the fuel used to boil water in the boiler. Steam generator is inside the nuclear power plant. The energy is released from the nuclear fission in the core of the nuclear reactor. In uranium, the 235 can produce as much as energy of burning to 4,500 tons of high grade variety of coal and 2000 tons of oil. Now I will discuss about the nuclear reactor, a device in which nuclear chain reactions are instilled. Main parts of this are core moderator, control rods, coolants and fuel. Nuclear energy is the India's fourth largest source of electricity in India. As of 2013, there are 7 nuclear power plants with 21 nuclear reactors with the installed capacity of 5,780 MW. Advantages of the nuclear power plant are low greenhouse gas emission, reliable, efficient, low fuel cost, etc. Thank you.
Thank you.